Hi, I'm Stephanie.
My name is Anthony Lai.
Hi, I'm Monday.
And we work at the Schweitzer Law Partners.
I'm an associate attorney at Schweitzer Law Partners here in Pasadena, California.
Today we're going to be viewing legal clips from movies and reacting.
Were you leading them on for 6 weeks?
No.
Then why didn't you raise any of these concerns before?
It's raining.
I'm sorry?
It just started raining.
Mr. Zuckerberg, do I have your full attention?
No.
Do you think I deserve it?
What?
Do you think I deserve your full attention?
I have a legal obligation to say no.
Okay, no. You don't think I deserve your attention?
I think if your clients want to sit on my shoulders and call themselves tall, they have a right to give it a try, but there's no requirement that I enjoy sitting here listening to people lie. You have part of my attention. You have the minimum amount. The rest of my attention is back at the offices of Facebook, where my colleagues and I are doing things that no one in this room, including and especially your clients, are intellectually or creatively capable of doing. Did I adequately answer your condescending question?
Snarky.
Yeah. I don't think that deponents, the person being deposed, are that uncooperative. I've never seen that. I think that would be, that's extra, right? That's very dramatic.
Yeah.
If I'm Mark Zuckerberg's attorney here, I am probably squirming in my seat because under no circumstances do you want your client just going off on a rant like that.
It's not that dramatic, but if you don't object, then you lose that objection later on and that answer can come into court.
And you just don't want your client to be ranting and raving. But does it happen? Yeah, absolutely. Depositions can get heated. The questioning can get really emotional and can cover some sensitive topics.
I did not torture the chicken. I don't torture chickens. Are you crazy? Right?
I'd raised concerns before.
Bull, not to us.
Gentlemen,
But if you prep your client well enough, you'll probably be telling them something along the lines of just answer the question, don't give any more information than is absolutely necessary.
Did I adequately answer your condescending question?
What did Mr. Crawford say?
He said it was like I just suddenly snapped.
Objection.
I'm sorry, Mr. Crawford. Did you say something?
Yes, I wish to object.
On what grounds?
I don't know.
Your Honor.
I don't know what you'd call it, but it wasn't the first time it happened either. But I don't know the legal terminology.
Well, why don't you try and explain it in layman's terms?
Would a judge be this helpful?
I think sometimes, yes. It depends on the judge.
There's an old saying, a person that represents themselves has a fool for a client. I don't know if Anthony Hopkins would probably be considered a fool.
That might be a little too nice,
Yeah.
right? Especially for a criminal. I think in the movie he allegedly murdered someone, so that's, maybe not so realistic in a homicide or murder case.
But we do see judges sort of try to help out some pro per litigants, explaining to them some of the things in the law that they may not understand and holding their hand a little bit throughout the proceedings just to make sure that they have at least some level of a level playing field.
People say that it's just a phase. They tell me to act my age.
Elle?
Warner? I totally forgot you go here.
What are you talking about? I'm sorry, are you here to see me?
No, silly. I go here.
You go where?
Harvard. Law school.
You got into Harvard Law?
What, like it's hard?
I love that so much.
Harvard Law is not a very easy school to get into.
We could do a whole podcast on how hard it is to get into law school.
I think it's harder being in law school than getting in.
Law school itself is probably up to that point one of the most difficult things that you'll have to do.
It's standardized testing and personal statements. Unlike the movie, you can't submit a video personal statement of you in your bikini in a pool, right?
Right. And you definitely don't look that good when you're going to law school.
Oh no one looks like that that in law school. Maybe your first day, but then you gain 30 pounds, go bald.
Yeah, and I definitely wore like the same sweatpants.
Oh yeah, I wore
for,
like
a whole week.
a gray T-shirt the entire time.
Law school is very, very hard. It's not easy to get into. It's possible, but it takes a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication to get to that point. So I think Elle Woods' boyfriend there has a right to be a little bit surprised.
America's sweethearts.
Didn't do it. I'm innocent. Why won't anyone believe me?
I love her bangs.
Your Honor, you're out of order. No, you're out of order, sir. I object to the way my client has been treated. I object to the fact that I've allowed my professional judgment to become clouded by my feelings for my client. I object to the way the room seems to spin whenever she walks into it. I object, Your Honor, because I love this woman.
Their love opened our...
Okay, so I don't think it's probably the best idea to kiss the witness while they're on the stand.
Contempt. I've definitely seen that before, though. Kissing in the courtroom. I'm just kidding. No, I haven't.
The other issue I see with this is that there was no question pending. The witness had already started answering. An objection is supposed to be raised to a question, not to an answer. You don't really need to raise your voice up to object. Usually people, when they object in court, they just say objection. There's no need to yell because it's pretty quiet in the courtroom. There's only one or two people talking, and there's absolutely no need for that type of theatricality.
But this was fun. Yeah, a lot of fun.
Thanks so much for watching some of these Hollywood clips with me.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you on the next one. All right.
That was great.
Great.